Guys, how are you? Here's Project Project, and today we have a new video from Python. In this video we create the Excel with Python. Today we create one program. If you have any Excel file, you can get the location of that and it's open your file. If you don't have any Excel file, it's create your file, and then you write your Excel's things you want to add, and it's adding to Excel your XLSX file, and then you can open it and save it. It's like an Excel file, Excel app in the Microsoft Excel. It's like this. First of all, we should import tkinter as tk. Also from tkinter import file log, and you should have open pyxl library. If you don't have it, you should insert it pipe. I learned it how you can install the library with pipe in last video. So from openpyxl import load workbook and the workbook. From openxl dot styles import border sites and alignment, and it's finished. We want one class Excel app. Come here, say def init self and master, like always. Master, and then we come here, we write self dot master equal master, and master dot title equal Excel. And we want to create the menu bar, so we come here, menu bar equal tk dot menu the master, and file menu equal tk dot menu bar and t off to 0. And now we're going to create some button like open, save, exit. So here we come here and say file menu dot add command label open file menu command self dot open file. We create this function. We will create it, open file and save file, and this function we create. We copy this and paste it another time. Save. It's okay. It's .master.quit. And exit. Now we want to create the file button. Add cascade label file. We don't want any command. We write menu file. And we say file menu dot add separator. And now we write master dot config menu equal menu bar. Also here we shouldn't write file menu, we should write menu bar. And it's finished. Self dot sprayed sheets text equal tk dot text self dot spread frame and warp equal tk dot blur. Self dot text dot pack, and it's also finished. Self dot work book equal none dot work sheet. Also it should be none. And it's finished. I said to you it's finished. It's very easy, I say to you. And now we want to create some function is name open file we created here. For this line we write it, we use the command of it. Now we want to create it. Let's go. Def open file with argument self. We say file open. It's no, sorry. Patch. We should write patch. It's correct. Right log dot ask file name default vision Here we choose the default format to XLSX, and file types should be like this. The other file types we say it now. Excel files and start.xlsx, and it's finished. Then here we write all files, the other formats, all of the files we can open it. X start.start, and it's finished. Now if file patch true meaning open, self dot workbook equal load workbook file patch. Now here we're opening the file. We want to opening this file and show it to user. Self dot worksheet equal self dot workbook dot archive the workbook files. Self dot add border. Now we want to add the borders of the file. And then here write self dot display only spreadsheet, and open and close this function. Also it's finished. Now we want to write the next function, meaning save file. Wow. Also we write this add border and a spreadsheet, display spreadsheet with the function of it. Don't worry. What's wrong with this error? Why we get this error? 27. Why we have it? Oh, here. And it's correct now. Let's go for other of codes. Tab def save underline file with one argument, like always self. And it's correct. If self dot workbook equal save patch, it's a one variable, file log dot ask file name, default it's not very important to copy and paste it from here. It's okay. Save fetch is open. It's meaning it's if it's true, but we don't want to write true. Dot workbook dot save patch. Also, this one is also finished. Now we want to create the borders between files, the files, meaning the house of the Excel file. Let's go for writing this space. Wow, this project is very hard. It have very too much codes. Display self dot sheet text dot delete point one and tick enter end. We want one for loop for row in range between 1 and self dot worksheet dot max row plus 1, or you can write it like this. It starts from 0, and here you don't write plus 1. You can write it like this also, but like this it's very have very better reading for reading. The code is very better. And then we come here. We want one for loop for call in range from 1 to self dot worksheet dot max clone plus 1 cell equal self dot worksheet dot max clone plus 1, or no, we shouldn't write it like this. We can write it like other parts. Self dot worksheets dot cell row is row and clone is like call, and self dot spread text dot insert for adding the lines, ticker dot end and cell dot value. Oh, and we want to write add one tab between the calls items, so write self dot spread text dot insert tk dot end and cell dot no cell, only tab For tab we write \t. We say self.spreadtext.insert tk.end and \n for adding the new line. And \n. It's good. Now we want to add the borders. Def border. Yeah, it's correct. Now we write it and here we write cell. Thin border. It's a list. Should be. We write it border like this. From left side. You get one border style. Thin. And right and bottom. One for right, one for top, and one for bottom. But for bottom we don't want any semicolon. Here we write bottom, top, the border of top and the border of right. Wow. For row in range from 1 to self.worksheet max row plus 1. Let's copy this. These two lines and we write it like for here. When it's finished. It's okay. Then we write cell.border equals thin border. Let's check it one time. Row plus 1, clump plus 1, worksheet should be, and col. Cell self worksheet dot cell row equal row and clone equal clone. And it's finished. The class also is finished. Now we want to write the main codes of the tkinter. Like always, the root equal tk.tk, open and close, app equal Excel app, Excel. Yeah, for the self we say roots and roots dot main loop. Wow, it's finished after 75 lines. Let's run it. Okay, 74 and 20. For 74 we don't have, and the most important it's 20. Frame, I think so. Here we shouldn't write frame. Line tick insert dot text. Okay, you know why it gets error, because here we don't write any spreadsheet frame. We should write it here, spreadsheet frame self.spreadsheet frame equal tk dot frame self master and self dot frame spreadsheet frame dot pack. And so let's run it another time, and it's run. It's good. If I write open, here I have it, I think so. No, I don't have. Okay, for example, we write put it project. We write one tab, one tab 20, for example, and we can save it, and it's saved in the, I think so, here, the clear. Yeah, here my date XLX. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, you can write it at comment. If you want to help me, please like, subscribe and share my video to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video to here. I know here this video is very long. Thank you so much, and have a nice day and goodbye.